In the early 1930s, with the changing situation in Europe, many of the post-World War I treaties began to be broken, and Germany seemed to see a rebirth in various technological fields. Blohm and Voss shipyard keenly sensed the change and established a subsidiary in 1933 to enter the aviation field. Shortly thereafter, they successfully developed the Ha-139, which was a handsome and stylish seaplane and one of the largest seaplanes in the world at that time. The Ha-139 was not a military aircraft, but rather a long-distance mail transport plane. It later served in the famous Lufthansa airline for transatlantic flights. The aircraft had a long and slender fuselage with a streamlined exterior and a stepped cockpit. The internal space of the fuselage was not large, and apart from accommodating 4 to 5 crew members, there was not much space for cargo. The aircraft could carry 500 kilograms of mail for 5,000 kilometers, which was quite impressive for that era. The aircraft's wings were of a reverse gull wing structure, with the inner side of the wings sloping downward and the outer side sloping upward, and a horizontal tail wing mounted above the tail beam, with vertical tails at both ends. There were 4 engine compartments on the wings, each housing a single 600-horsepower Junkers Jumo 205C horizontal opposed 6-cylinder diesel engine, driving a pair of all-metal 3-blade variable pitch propellers. The engine compartments extended downward from the inner wings, connecting the 2 sets of seaplane floats. Despite its large size and weight of 10,340 kilograms, the Ha-139 was equipped with a catapult takeoff device, allowing it to take off from a ship, which was quite advanced for that time. This technology could also be directly applied to military ships, showing its potential for future development. This well-performing seaplane was produced in very limited quantities, with only 3 aircraft. They briefly served in the Lufthansa airline, flying to destinations such as Gambia and Brazil. The Ha-139 was later developed into the land-based version Ha-142, but the quantity remained scarce, with only 4 aircraft produced. The Ha-139 did not serve in the civilian sector for long, as it was later commissioned into the Air Force when World War II broke out. The 3 aircraft underwent some modifications, including the installation of defensive machine guns, and the 3rd aircraft was equipped with many electronic devices, using its long-range capabilities to conduct maritime patrol missions. However, the Ha-139 was not originally designed for military use, as its small size, slow speed, and low altitude limit made it unsuitable for transporting military personnel and supplies. The Ha-142 land-based version, on the other hand, had the capability to transport 30 fully armed soldiers over long distances. It is unclear whether these 2 aircraft were limited by the strategic tactics of Germany in World War II, as they were both produced in small quantities. The Ha-139 seaplane had an empty weight of 10,340 kilograms, a maximum takeoff weight of 19,000 kilograms, a length of 20.07 meters, a wingspan of 29.5 meters, a wing area of 130 square meters, a height of 4.8 meters, a cruising speed of 238 kilometers per hour, an economical flying speed of 200 kilometers per hour, a maximum flying speed of 208 kilometers per hour, and a maximum range of 4950 kilometers at economical cruising speed. Its maximum altitude was 3690 meters, and it required a crew of 4 to 5 people.